I love roof bars. I think they're very convenient and practical, and I think they make the car look better. So far, I've driven mostly hatchbacks, and the sedan is definitely less flexible when it comes to carrying large objects, and that's why I really miss having the opportunity to put things on the roof. Let's fix that. Now, finding a pair of roof bars for the E46 isn't that hard. There are plenty of original BMW ones up for sale, and they're not that expensive either. I just personally think they look like crap. That's why I decided to install the Thule that I had laying around from my E36, and I think it looks much better. Now, mounting the roof bars on the E36 wasn't that hard. Unfortunately, on the E46 it's completely different. On each corner of the car we have a fixed point covered by these flaps, and here you can thread in an M6 bolt, and this is what holds the roof rack in place. So some adjustments and modifications will be necessary. And after some fine tuning, here's where we are at. These brackets were the main thing that needed to be modified, and the angle grinder did a good job with that. Now they're ready to be installed. I'm gonna leave the rubber legs as they are. They're not a perfect fit, but I think they're good enough. However, there's something else we need to take care of first. Now the stock roof bars would step in this opening and they would be bolted here with the flap open like this, which I think is even uglier. However, for me that's not an option because the flap is in the way of the roof bar foot, so I'm gonna have to take these out. For this I'm gonna use a plastic tool, and I'm gonna start at the back because at the front the trim fits under the seal. And now mounting the brackets, I did buy stainless steel bolts because they are going to be out in the rain and stuff, and I don't want them to rust out. I did pay attention to the orientation of the bars, so they sit the right way around and that they are level, and I think that turned out pretty well. The only thing that's adjustable on these bars is the width of the feet. You can release them from this tab here on the inside, and you can slide them back and forth. I recommend making sure that they are symmetrical on both sides. And once that's done, you can tighten them from here. This secures the foot and the bracket, and as soon as you have them tight enough, you just push it in and lock them in place. And of course we need to do a durability test. That's not going in.